Oh my gosh. Yes, yes, yes.
This is At the Bar. This is where we make drinks and we talk drinks. And every episode we're joined by a very special guest.
My mum's going to watch this and just be horrified.
One thing that we'll always have in common with them is that we all enjoy a drink.
Oh my God. This is the most delicious cocktail I've ever drunk.
Where would you even order that? Oh, yeah.
Did you shoot it?
I thought we were all shooting it.
Genuinely does work.
You look really cool as well.
Yeah.
We get to know that person, their relationship with alcohol, their favourite drinks.
I am a metropolitan fop of the first order.
Old-fashioned. Stop the game.
Are you just chomping at the bit to put it in your mouth?
If people start an evening with an espresso martini, I know I'm not going to be their friend.
Chew or swallow?
Bit of both.
You swine.
Drink responsibly, kids.
And then Jack here, our bartender extraordinaire, takes all that information and creates their dream drink.
A dream drink that takes me to that place, I'd probably cry.
Challenge accepted.
It's cold, regardless of what this tastes like. I like it already.
This should be like nostalgic for you. You're like a sorcerer, alchemist. Go on, get these on.
This is immersive bartending.
Bon santé.
I feel like I've gone into Savile Row of cocktails and someone's just fitted me out.
Best show I've ever been on. Today.
There's the trailer.
Cock shot.
Careful.